you can enjoy high-end living experience. Wait. Isn't this an affordable house?
In our last episode, we talked about how Masing designed a welcoming entrance for M Centura. Today, we will be taking a closer look at this affordable house with high-quality facilities.
As I step onto the facilities deck, I'm struck by the calming blue and green color surrounding me.
The way they designed the facility deck is pretty neat. It features 2 floating gyms facing diagonally, 2 huge swimming pools in the center, and the trees lining the edges. The designer smartly incorporated 3 primary colors, brown, blues, and greens, to present the color of nature. And if you notice, the entire deck here is covered in wooden flooring, which can be very costly. But the result is quite promising as they elevate the scenery here.
I love how they make the floating gym a stand-alone structure that houses need only the gym, which gives a luxurious and exclusive feel. What is remarkable is that 3 sides of the building are made up of transparent glass, while the back side features a full wall of mirrors, making it appear as if the building is entirely made of glass, which gives the gym an elegant appearance. To optimize space, they also transform the space underneath the gym into a hammock garden and sunken deck for the residents to chill and relax.
The color of the swimming pool is rather unique, with a slight mix of white and blue due to the use of white pepper wash on its surface. The color combination gives the pool a clean look, making it an appealing place to take a swim with your families.
There are a variety of seating options around here. This is very thoughtful, in my opinion, as it allows the residents to choose a spot that makes them feel comfortable. Now, let's take a look at the indoor facilities.
Before the completion of any property, home buyer had no physical property to view. They could only rely solely on the artist's impression provided by the developer to imagine their future living environment. And then, boom! Look at this place today. Home buyer can feel relief because what they see now matches exactly what that was shown in the artist's impression in several years ago.
Masing has delivered on their promises, meeting the expectation of home buyers who bought this house. Well, you might ask, is the maintenance fees expensive for top-notch facilities like this? In the next episode, we will discuss how Masing has been able to maintain the good quality of facilities while reducing the maintenance fees. Make sure you follow us for the next episode.